Vortex flow sensors are an integral part of modern flow measuring instruments. Their advantages make them a key component in the increasingly important heat pump market. There are crucial reasons for this. They are inexpensive to manufacture and can be produced inexpensively in very high quantities. They have no moving parts, which promises long-lasting, trouble-free operation. And they exhibit very low pressure drops since the pipe cross-section is completely open aside from the bluff body. How does a vortex flow sensor work? Let's take a closer look at the measurement principle. When fluid flows around a bluff body, a repeating pattern of alternating, offset vortices is created downstream of the bluff body. The vortices separate at the edges of the bluff body and create a Kármán vortex street in the flow. The distance between the individual vortices is constant. The frequency at which the vortices flow past a sensor depends on the flow velocity and is proportional to the flow rate. The sensor detects the vortices, which are converted into an electrical frequency signal. The advantages of this measuring principle are numerous. Vortex flow sensors have a pipe cross-section that is almost entirely open. This results in low pressure drops, which is essential for operating modern, highly efficient heat pump systems. In contrast to, say, the magnetic inductive measuring principle, the vortex measuring principle is independent of the medium's conductivity. It also works with liquids of various viscosities. At the same time, the vortex measuring principle guarantees high long-term stability without zero drift. These advantages make the vortex flow sensors the most popular and sought-after sensors on the heat pump market. One such outstanding vortex sensor is the VVX series from SIKA. In addition to the general advantages of the vortex measuring principle, our sensors are available with a housing made from either glass fiber reinforced plastic, brass, or stainless steel. These options ensure maximum durability and performance for every customer application. All SIKA Vortex flow sensors are equipped with a fully encapsulated piezoceramic sensor for detecting the vortices. This means the sensor is not in direct contact with the medium, which makes it dirt-resistant and fail-safe. This design also ensures a high level of interference resistance. This versatile sensor can also measure the temperature and can output analog signals and a pulse signal for the flow rate. A resistance signal and an analog signal are available for the temperature. And speaking of measurement quality, during production, every SIKA Vortex flow sensor is subjected to a quality assurance process in which the sensor is compared and calibrated at several test points on a water test bench. The built-in microcontroller allows us to adapt the characteristics curve individually for each device and to thereby reduce the measurement deviation and series scattering to a minimum. For the customer, this means that all SIKA Vortex sensors provide virtually identical measurement results. The microcontroller has an additional advantage though. On the VVX type, it is possible to set approximately 60 software parameters, thereby adapting the measurement to customer-specific installation situations. This takes place at the SIKA test lab. Here, SIKA can integrate customer-specific pipework or entire hydraulic systems into the test bench and thereby optimize the measuring performance for the actual installation situation. The Vortex flow meters made from plastic are available in the nominal diameters of DN15, DN20, and DN25. The sensors need to be a bit more robust at larger diameters, which is why SIKA offers the nominal diameters of DN32 and DN40 in either brass or stainless steel, either with a threaded connection or the quick fasten system. For use in modern heat pumps, SIKA offers the VVX LowFlow, a world first in sensor technology. It is the only vortex flow sensor on the market that can cover the measurement range of 2 to 65 liters per minute required for modern heat pumps. Please click on the link below to find out more. Vortex flow sensors are the most popular and sought-after sensors on the heat pump market. Thanks to their high measuring accuracy and low production costs, These sensors are an indispensable part of any solution in the booming heat pump sector. SIKA flow sensors of the VVX series are particularly popular with heat pump manufacturers. They have become an indispensable component in heat pumps from the world's largest manufacturers. If you would like to learn more about flow measuring instruments, visit us at www.sika.net to take advantage of our 40 years of experience in the field. SIKA, the right choice for flow measuring instruments.